Concrete is well known for its durability, making it a go-to material for driveways, pathways, stepping stones, and patios. However, a concrete patio, while long-lasting, may lose its visual appeal over time. Exposure to sunlight, wind, and various weather conditions can wear it down, necessitating a makeover to bring back its original charm. To help you rejuvenate your outdoor space, here are 10 creative ideas to refresh your concrete patio in a small backyard. To stay updated on our upcoming videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. 10. Bamboo Outdoor Dining Room Project Idea. Have you noticed your weary concrete patio with a mossy surface? It's likely not as appealing as it once was. Don't worry, you can resurface it affordably to give it a brand new look. To start, thoroughly clean the patio to remove dirt, oil, grease, and moss. A high-strength pressure washer is ideal for this task. Next, mix the concrete resurfacer and begin applying it. Keep in mind that concrete resurfacer sets quickly, so you'll want to section your working area to allow enough time for finishing touches before it hardens. Once the resurfacing is complete, cover the pergola posts with bamboo panels for a fresh appearance and added privacy. Additionally, the panels will introduce a touch of Asian style to your backyard. 9. Paint the concrete patio. Paint is a popular choice for upgrading any space in your home without breaking the bank. This small concrete patio DIY demonstrates how paint can work wonders on a dreary, cracked patio. Start by pressure washing the patio surface. If you notice several cracks, fill them with concrete patch. Once that's done, apply epoxy floor paint to the entire patio surface. For added safety and to minimize slipping risks while your kids play, consider mixing the paint with a non-skid texture additive for a more textured result. 8. Erect the pergola. Pergolas are an exceptional choice for transforming your small concrete patio into a charming outdoor living area or enchanting dining space. By simply erecting a pergola, you can instantly elevate the aesthetic appeal of your patio, creating a cozy retreat. Enhance the atmosphere further by draping string lights or hanging pendant lights from the pergola ceiling, casting a warm glow that beautifully illuminates the space. This inviting ambiance is perfect for romantic dinners under the stars or lively gatherings with friends, making your patio the go-to spot for relaxation and enjoyment. 7. Wrap the pergola with climbing plants. Another fantastic idea for a small concrete patio is to pair a pergola with climbing plants, creating a more dramatic and lush environment. If your existing pergola has started to feel dull, this technique can rejuvenate it without the cost and time of building or purchasing a new one. Some climbing plants to consider include crimson glory vine, trumpet vine, wisteria, roses, grapevines, and honeysuckle. Position planters with these plants near the pergola posts and let them thrive. You may also need to train the plants to climb correctly along the pergola. 6. Create a new social space. There are numerous effortless concrete patio makeover ideas to consider, and one of the simplest yet most effective is to lay down a stylish rug on your existing patio surface. This quick update requires no resurfacing or sealing and can instantly change the look of your outdoor area. To further complete your backyard setup, bring out a comfortable sofa, a few stylish chairs, and a chic coffee table. Adding throw pillows and vibrant colors will enhance the cozy ambiance, creating an inviting outdoor conversation area where friends and family can gather. Finish the space off by serving delicious snacks and refreshing beverages to ensure an unforgettable gathering. 5. Stain the patio. Like paint, stains are an excellent option for quickly upgrading your concrete patio. They can give your surface a marble-like finish that adds an upscale touch to your area. Before staining, decide on your color scheme and mark the sections if you're using multiple colors. Cut kerfs to separate them. If your patio already has expansion joints, you can skip cutting kerfs. After neatly cutting the kerfs in straight lines, scrub the concrete with a stiff broom to clean it. Rinse the patio with water before applying the stain and ensure your shoes are clean to avoid any contamination. 4. Cover it with a deck. If you're feeling bored with your old concrete patio, consider covering it with a stylish wooden deck. This simple yet effective transformation can breathe new life into your outdoor space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The contrasting materials, colors, and textures of wood will enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your patio. Just be sure to seal your deck properly by applying 2 coats of polyurethane, protecting it from the elements and ensuring its longevity for years to come. 3. Opt for a geometric style. Many find their concrete patios tedious because they lack patterns. You can easily add a subtle flair by painting geometric designs on your patio. These patterns will instantly modernize your backyard and are simple enough for a DIY project. Start by thoroughly cleaning the surface to remove any debris. Next, apply painter's tape to outline your desired design and then paint as you wish. 2. Use stencils. Stencils aren't just for accent walls. They can remarkably rejuvenate your concrete patio with beautiful and intricate patterns that add visual interest. After thoroughly cleaning the patio surface and allowing it to dry completely, attach your chosen stencil design, starting from one corner for ease. Carefully paint over the stencil to ensure the design transfers flawlessly to the patio surface. Once you've successfully completed one section, gently reposition the stencil to create a seamless look and repeat the process until your entire patio is transformed into a stunning outdoor masterpiece. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, 1. Create a concrete rug. Is it a rug? No, it's a beautifully stained concrete patio. This technically straightforward project can be tackled by anyone, even beginners. Begin by sketching your desired design on a piece of paper. Meticulously clean the patio, then draw the pattern using a carpenter's pencil and a ruler. This may take some time, but persistence pays off. Apply painter's tape to non-touching areas across the patio and mist them with water. Next, dip a sponge into the stain and blot it onto the concrete. Apply a second coat for deeper hues and allow it to dry before finishing with a sealant. Now that you see upgrading your concrete patio is an achievable task, consider trying at least one of these 10 ideas to transform your small backyard. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.